In this tech tip, we will discuss toolpath animation as well as additional ribbon settings for toolpath display, IPW, and more. Toolpath animation allows you to play, step, pause, and select the toolpath at any location along the motion. You can choose to pause the animation at every level, every operation, or both. Many users want to limit the amount of toolpath that is shown while animating. For this, you can utilize the toolpath display options. Disabling display toolpath will hide the toolpath entirely. While the toolpath is hidden, users cannot select the toolpath, but it'll continue to play as expected. Toolpath graph displays a dynamic line graph that plots feed rate, remove volume, and material removal rate to quickly visualize and identify any spikes or irregularities along the toolpath. The data sources for remove volume and material removal rate are calculated prior to entering toolpath graph using Calculate Remove Volume. For more information about the toolpath, Toolpath Report can be used to create an interactive report that displays the toolpath's motions for selected operations or programs. Selecting a motion in the report will position the tool at the location in the graphics window and vice versa. Toolpath Report is synchronized with Toolpath Graph, as long as Toolpath Graph is accessed first. Show Findings groups consecutive motions that share a particular finding, such as a gouge or collision, into a folder in the report. Gouges and collisions are detected using Check Toolpath. After Check Toolpath is completed, any gouges or collisions found will remain in the findings until the gouges and collisions are resolved and Check Toolpath is re-executed, the operation is regenerated, or the toolpath is deleted. The Validity Report allows you to quickly confirm that all the required steps to create a valid operation are completed before you post-process and machine a part. The green check indicates that no problems were detected. The red X shows that the operation failed, and the black X signifies that the validation check has not yet been run. Pass-fail criteria in the summary column is determined by the customer defaults. Toolpath animation can be used with and without IPW. 3D IPW is available on demand at any point in the toolpath using Display IPW. Whether the IPW uses the tool parameters or the tool assembly for the tool shape is determined by a customer default. This same customer default will be used when searching for any gouges or collisions in Check Toolpath. A snapshot of the IPW can be saved using Create IPW Facet Body. The facet body is saved in the Part Navigator under Non-Timestamp Geometry. Additional IPW settings can be applied to the 3D IPW. For example, you can hide the part, blank, or both during animation, change the IPW color and translucency, and automatically remove IPW scrap from the in-process workpiece. The scrap will be removed at the end of the operation or program group. Alternatively, pausing the animation in the middle of an operation will automatically remove any current scrap. Selecting the option Use Single Blank will grab the blank of the first operation in a selected program or group of programs to use for the IPW, regardless of whether the operations use different blanks to generate the toolpaths. For example, the last operation doesn't use part or blank geometry to calculate the toolpath, and therefore won't display any IPW by itself, but selecting the program group will use the blank from the first operation for the IPW. Please note that Use Single Blank is for IPW display purposes only. Many of these ribbon settings can be changed dynamically during animation, and some will be remembered in your next NX session so that you can customize it to your preferences. Most of the ribbon actions and settings that we discussed are also available inside the Edit Operation dialog. This helps streamline the validation process by visualizing the toolpath in IPW, then updating the toolpath accordingly without leaving the operation dialog.